Hi. In this video I am going to show you how to install Arena Product Store WordPress plugin on your WordPress website. First you need to purchase and download the Arena Product Store WordPress plugin from link given in the description of this video. Now extract the downloaded zip on your desktop. Open the extracted folder. You will see aps-products.zip inside the extracted folder, along with documentation and demo data folder. Now, open your WordPress admin dashboard in a web browser and mouse over on Plugins menu link. From sidebar navigation menu, click on Add New menu link. Click on Upload Plugin button. On the next page, click on Choose File button. From File selection window, navigate to the extracted folder on your desktop. Select the aps-products.zip. And click on Install Now button. It will take a few seconds to install the plugin. When installation completed, click on Activate Plugin button to activate the Arena Product Store plugin. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Arena Product Store plugin on your WordPress website. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos.